Okay, I've been using Camtasia for about a year doing recordings, and I noticed that my memory on my computer, I don't have enough storage. So I thought I was deleting these videos, but what they were doing, they were going to another file on my computer, which I did not know. I didn't know how to find it. So I'm gonna show you how to locate this on your computer. So this is how you find the files and delete them. So here we go. Okay, go ahead and open up Camtasia. And what you want to do, you want to go to File, you want to go to Batch Production. Once you go to Batch Production, you can go Add Files and Projects, click on it, and that's where your files are located. As you can see, I got a lot of stuff in there. I thought this stuff was gone. Like I said, I've been working with it for about a year. I thought I had deleted most of this stuff. So I'm gonna just go back, and it's in this file under my PC, under my documents. I'm gonna just right click and just show you the properties of it. As you can see, it's 62.4 gigs. So 62.4 gigabytes. I can delete this stuff. So the only thing I need to do is go to this folder and find it. So I'm gonna double click. And while you're in here, I'm gonna just click on that, hit my shift. I don't need all these recordings. And just hit your shift and click again, right click and delete. So I'm gonna hit yes. I'm gonna delete all of those. And those right there, it's probably in a recording I already got open. So I'm gonna just skip those. And you see I done cleared up a lot of memory. I'm gonna just go back. I'm gonna look at the properties again, see what happened. Look at that, freed up a lot of space just by deleting those recordings. Once you deleted the files, you want to go to your desktop and find your recycle bin. And double click on your recycle bin and make sure you empty your recycle bin also, because if you don't, this stuff is still stored on your computer. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.